Our evenings provide more opportunity than we realize. They set the tone for the next day, they influence our sleep that night, and they even help shape mental clarity and focus. Yet for many of us, evenings become a time of mindless scrolling, lingering stress, watching television, or chaotic rushing. But in a world of constant noise and rush all day long, a strategic evening can set the stage for a purposeful day tomorrow. Of course, a less cluttered evening doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of intentional habits that help us unwind, reflect, and reset. An evening routine, if you will. Here are 7 evening habits that can help you create a calmer, more focused mindset. Number 1, write down tomorrow's to-do list. Before you end your day, take 5 minutes to jot down your priorities for tomorrow. I live by a 3-item to-do list, and I love it. Thinking through your to-do list not only clears your mind, but also helps you start the next day with direction. Once your tasks are on paper, you don't have to carry them in your head, which can lead to a more restful night. Number 2, tidy up your living space. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind and a feeling of things being undone. So spend 10 to 15 minutes tidying up your living areas. Put away your dishes, clear off your countertops, return items to their designated spots. Walking into a clean, organized space in the morning can also help set a positive tone for the day. Number 3, you might consider taking some time to reflect on the day's wins. Take a moment to reflect on what went well during your day. Did you accomplish a task, have a meaningful conversation, or simply enjoy a quiet moment of reflection? Acknowledging these small wins helps shift your focus from what's unfinished to what's been accomplished, which helps all of us foster gratitude and contentment. Number 4, turn your screens off earlier than you think. Studies show that the blue light from screens can disrupt our sleep cycle, making it harder to wind down and sleep well. Plus, they just tend to keep us up later than we should be staying up. So aim to turn off phones, tablets, and TVs at least 30 minutes before you go to bed, maybe even longer. Instead, try reading a book, journaling, simply getting ready for bed without the TV or the phone on. This small change can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep and the relationships in your life. Number 5, set out your supplies for the following morning. Prepare for the next day by gathering what you'll need, whether it's your work bag, gym clothes, or even your kids' backpacks. This simple habit eliminates morning stress and ensures you start your day feeling organized and in control. Number 6, take a moment to affirm the people in your life. End your day by connecting with the people who matter most. A simple, I love you, a hug, a kiss, or a word of affirmation can strengthen relationships, bring you internal security, and remind you of what truly matters. These small acts of affirmation not only nurture your loved ones, but also fill our own hearts with warmth and gratitude. And number 7, set a consistent sleep routine. Our physical bodies thrive on consistency. So going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate our internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Personally, I go to bed at 10 o'clock every night, and I love the bookend that time brings to my day. So set a time that works for you and your family, and work hard to keep it. These habits don't require a lot of time or effort, but their impact can be significant. By closing out your day, you create space for clarity, calm, and connection. A less cluttered mind isn't just about reducing stress, it's about creating room for what truly matters. So start small. Choose 1 or 2 habits to incorporate into your evenings this week. And over time, you'll find that these simple practices can make a significant change, not just in your evenings, but your entire life.